Hello, and welcome to Docens Digitalis TV, the channel where you'll learn the essential English vocabulary to understand and navigate laws, politics, and government, especially in the United States. If you've ever felt confused by legal or political terms in English, don't worry. Here, we break everything down in a simple and practical way so you can use these words with confidence. In today's video, we'll focus on legal words for court and politics. These are key terms that often appear in court cases, political discussions, and government decisions. Let's get started. First, let's define court. A court is the place where legal cases are heard and decided. The person in charge of the courtroom is the judge, and the two sides in a case are represented by lawyers or attorneys. Next, we have plaintiff and defendant. The plaintiff is the person who brings a lawsuit to court, and the defendant is the person being accused or sued. A lawsuit happens when one party takes legal action against another to resolve a dispute. Another key term is evidence. Evidence includes facts, documents, or objects presented in court to support a case. Lawyers use evidence to convince the jury, a group of people who decide if the defendant is guilty or innocent. Now, let's talk about verdict. The verdict is the final decision made by a judge or jury in a trial. If a person is found guilty, they receive a sentence, which is the punishment ordered by the court. Moving on to political terms, we have legislation. Legislation refers to the process of making laws. A bill is a proposed law that must be approved by Congress and signed by the president before becoming official. If the president rejects it, that's called a veto. You may also hear the term constitution. The Constitution is the highest legal document in a country, defining the structure of the government and protecting citizens' rights. In the U.S., the first 10 amendments to the Constitution are known as the Bill of Rights. Another important concept is checks and balances. This system ensures that no branch of government, executive, legislative, or judicial, has too much power. Each branch can limit the actions of the others. Finally, let's discuss civil rights. Civil rights protect individuals from unfair treatment and ensure equal protection under the law. These include freedom of speech, the right to vote, and protection against discrimination. By learning these legal and political terms, you'll be better prepared to understand court cases, follow government decisions, and engage in discussions with confidence. If this video was helpful, please support our channel by liking this video, sharing it with others, and subscribing to Docens Digitalis TV. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content for learners like you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.